Welcome to a new video of Inspire to Aspire channel. Today we are going to talk about the effects of nature on mental health. Nature has a profound impact on our well-being, and research suggests that spending time in natural environments can positively impact our mental health. In this video, we will explore the effects of nature on mental health and how you can incorporate nature into your life to improve your mental well-being. The benefits of nature on mental health are diverse and numerous. Firstly, spending time in nature can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The peacefulness of natural environments can help to calm the mind, reduce negative emotions, and provide a sense of relaxation. This is backed up by research that has found that spending time in nature can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and decrease blood pressure. In addition to reducing stress and anxiety, being in nature can improve our mood and overall happiness. Nature provides us with a break from the monotony of our daily routines and allows us to reconnect with the world around us. Studies have shown that spending time in natural environments can improve our mood, increase feelings of happiness, and reduce symptoms of depression. Nature can also help us to be more mindful and present. When we are surrounded by the beauty of nature, we become more aware of our surroundings and more attuned to our senses. This mindfulness can help us to reduce stress, increase feelings of calmness and relaxation, and improve our overall sense of well-being. But how can we incorporate nature into our daily lives? There are many ways to do this, and it doesn't have to involve going on long hikes or spending hours in the wilderness. One way to connect with nature is to simply spend time in a local park or green space. Even a short walk in a natural environment can have positive effects on our mental health. Gardening is another way to incorporate nature into our lives. Planting and caring for a garden can be a rewarding and therapeutic activity, and studies have shown that gardening can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. If you don't have access to a garden, even caring for a few houseplants can help to bring a little bit of nature into your home. Finally, spending time in nature can be a social activity, and social support is crucial for our mental well-being. Consider joining a local hiking group or volunteering for a nature conservation organization. Not only will you be able to enjoy the benefits of nature, but you will also have the opportunity to connect with others who share your interests. In conclusion, nature has a powerful impact on our mental health, and incorporating nature into our daily lives can have significant benefits. Whether it's a short walk in a local park, gardening, or joining a hiking group, there are many ways to connect with nature and improve your mental well-being. Good luck!